Climate change has a lot of effects and they impact people around the world in different ways. Climate change effects are stress multiplier, which means that they often make existing problems more severe. Mr. Shun Okpadare, who runs a home garden in his compound, talks about how climate change has affected food production.
Now we're having a change in the weather pattern that is peculiar to Ibadan, for example. Normally rains would have started late February, but by middle of March, early April, would have been having the intensity of rain. So farmers can start planting by then. You would have had like maybe 2 or 3 cycles of planting. So right now the rain has been delayed. We are just having more of the rain we're already in July now. So much of the rain started maybe middle June. So right now we are looking at hunger. With the climate change now, we are seeing heavy downpours leading to flooding.
Agriculture is strongly influenced by weather and climate. Climate change can therefore be expected to impact on agriculture, potentially threatening established aspects of farming systems but also providing opportunities for improvement. Climate change is likely to contribute substantially to food insecurities in the future by increasing food prices and reducing food production.
The issue now is about survival. You understand? The world population is growing, but we are producing less. There are less people going to farming. Young people don't want to go into farming, but we need food more than anything, food and water to survive as human beings.
Growing your own herbs, fruits, and vegetables is a good way to make your garden more climate friendly.
If we also grow house gardens, thank God today you can grow things in bags. So even if you do say you don't have land or your compound is cemented, if you can find topsoil from other areas, you can still grow things, and that way, one, you will be helping to solve the problem of climate change in your own little way, but also you'll be providing for your own food.
The future of agriculture considerably lies in the use of artificial intelligence. While previous evolutions in farming have largely been driven by mechanical improvements or genetic advances, the next big transformation is being driven by digital tools like robots, drones, etc.
I watched a documentary about farming in Israel. Where almost everything is technology driven. In Israel today, there are drones that will water each plant. Will also look like, now that I'm seeing that okay, these plants are missing, their leaves are yellow. Those drones will take picture and tell you what is the exact nutrient they need and be able to supply it. So it's to encourage everybody to get back into agriculture. If you cannot farm on a large scale, at least you can farm enough to grow to feed your family.